Hello ladies and gentlemen, Brian Morgan here, and I just want to show you a quick video of my new splash page I made for Easy Downlines. This is my ClickBank commission inbox just from Easy Downlines. As you can see, I'm making $302.51 every month for free and for doing absolutely nothing. That's right, absolutely nothing. I've joined this program, not spent it, joined for free, and I am now making $302.51 every month, as well as you can be too. I'm sure you can make more, you might make less, depending on how you treat the responsibility of Easy Downlines and if you're actually serious about making money online. Now, all you have to do is join the program, follow the simple training steps, and you'll be on your way to making your own money. Now let me tell you something else. Besides this being free, this is residual income. So I will be getting at least $302.51 every month for free. The only thing that's going to change here, my number is going to get higher. I will be making more every month. This is for the month of February in 2012. Okay, very recent screenshot of my ClickBank inbox. So you know everything is true, everything is legit. This is not a lie. There is no hidden fees. There is no anything. Join Easy Downlines now. This is a free program that will make you money online and bring you through the easy steps of how to make money online without the headaches, without the stress, and without the failure. With this system, you cannot fail. You will be making money very shortly after joining and following their simple training steps. As you can see, this works. I am making $302.51 every month. Here is proof. This is a screenshot I took of my own ClickBank inbox just coming from Easy Downlines for the month of February. Alright, so I suggest joining now. Don't wait any longer. This is a great opportunity. Easy Downlines, 100% free program. You follow the steps, you will be making money. I'm sure you can make more. This is with me hardly doing anything. So if you actually put in work and you follow the steps and you do it every day, I'm sure you can bring your amount to a lot more, which I plan on doing as well. But as for the moment, I'm pretty happy with $302.51 every month for free. I don't know about you. Get started now. Join below. Easy Downlines. Don't wait any longer. I'll see you on the inside. Take care.